Now I am going to take the comparison of five kingdom system. The five kingdom system was proposed by R.H. Whitaker, an American taxonomist who proposed the five kingdom system in the year 1969. The Whitaker classified the five kingdom into the following types. Number 1, Kingdom Monera. Number 2, Kingdom Protista. Number 3, Kingdom Fungi. Number 4, Kingdom Plantae. And number 5, Kingdom Animalia. These are all the 5 kingdoms classified by R.H. Whitaker. He has taken some of the characteristic features in order to classify the kingdom. What are the characteristic features he considered in order to classify the kingdom? Number 1, cell structure. Number 2, cell organization. Number 3, mode of nutrition. Number 4, reproduction. And number 5, phylogenetic relationship. This type of comparison, the five kingdom system, comparison between the five kingdom system is given in the page number 13 in the table 1.5. Here criteria given, and also there are five kingdom: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia are listed. In between the Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia, there are characteristic feature differences given. First one, cell type. Monera is a prokaryotic organism. The Monera includes all the prokaryotic organism. Prokaryotic organism means very primitive organism. The second kingdom, Protista, all the eukaryotic organisms are included under the second kingdom, Protista. Third kingdom, Fungi. In fungi, eukaryotic organisms are included. Like that in Plantae and Animalia, only eukaryotic organisms are included. Except in the Monera, kingdom Monera, in all other kingdoms, only eukaryotic organisms are placed. The second difference, level of organization. Monera and Protista are unicellular organism, that includes unicellular organism. In the case of fungi, both unicellular and multicellular organisms are included. But in the Plantae and Animalia, only multicellular organisms are included, with tissue system and organ systems are organized, well developed tissue system and organ system seen in both Plantae and Animalia. Come to the third structural difference, cell wall. In Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, in all these first four kingdoms, cell wall present. But in the last kingdom, Animalia, cell wall is absent. In the case of Monera, the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan and mucopeptide. But in the case of Protista, the cell wall is made up of cellulose. Come to fungi. In fungi, the cell wall is made up of chitin or cellulose, fungal cellulose. In Plantae, the cell wall is made up of cellulose. As far as nutrition is concerned, Monera, the kingdom Monera is autotrophic, photoautotrophic and hemoautotrophic. Some of the organisms are heterotrophic. They lead parasitic and saprophytic life of mode of life. In Protista, autotrophic, photosynthetic, heterotrophic organisms are included. In fungi, heterotrophic, parasitic or saprophytic organisms are included. In Plantae, all are autotrophic, photosynthetic autotrophic. In Animalia, no photosynthetic autotrophic, only they are heterotrophs, and their mode of nutrition is holozoic. Come to the motility. As far as prokaryotes is concerned, all the organisms will move, they are motile. Some of the organisms cannot move, they are non-motile. In Protista, motile or non-motile organisms are all seen. In fungi, all are non-motile. In the case of Plantae, mostly non-motile, one or two or few organisms will be moving from here and there. For example, Chlamydomonas. In Animalia, mostly motile. All the animals are included under Animalia. Mostly all the animals will be moving here and there. Come to the organisms. What are the organisms included in different plant kingdom? In the kingdom Monera, Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Cyanobacteria, Actinomycetes and Mycoplasm are included as the organism. They are the example for Monera. Kingdom Protista includes Chrysophytes, Dinoflagellates, Euclinoids, slime molds, amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, trypanosoma are the examples for the kingdom Protista. Fungi, examples yeast, mushrooms and molds. In Plantae, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms are included. In the fungi, sponges, invertebrates and vertebrates are included. So these are all considered as some of the differences between Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae and Animalia. They are considered as the comparison of the 5 kingdom system. That is all.